So I'll be showing you how to download and install Apple Music on your Windows computer. This could be your desktop PC or even your laptop. So the first thing you have to do is go to the Microsoft Store. So you can do that by clicking on the Start button and then just looking for the Microsoft Store. You can type Store in there, and from the results you should see Microsoft Store. So just go ahead and launch that. Now, once it launches, you can go to the search function at the top and then just look for Apple Music. So just type Apple Music and then hit enter to search, and you should see Apple Music. You can click on that to open the Apple Music page, and then you'll see the option Get. So just go ahead and click on that, and that will initiate the download and installation of Apple Music onto your computer. Keep in mind that it's free, and you can sign in to the same Apple ID that you're using on your iPhone and get all your music, all your purchases, all your playlists. Everything is going to come to your Windows computer. So just be patient and wait for this installation process to finish up. And once it's done, you'll see open, so you can launch the app from here. And in future, you can just go to the start function and then find Apple Music, and you can launch it from here. Now, before I launch it, you can also right click and then you can pin this to the taskbar. So if you like it on the taskbar, you can pin it there. You can see it right here in the taskbar, or you can pin it to the start menu. Okay, so that anytime you click on the start menu, you will see Apple Music, of course, after organizing these apps a little better. Anyway, let's go ahead and launch the Apple Music app for the first time. So Apple Music. So if it's the first time, of course, you're going to have to go through this. This is the terms and conditions. You have to read and eventually agree. And then it's going to ask update Windows. Apple Music may encounter issues with this version of Windows. So you can just click on continue. Get this welcome to Apple Music message. Just click on start listening, and there you go. You are now ready to use Apple Music. Now, if you want to sign in, that's the best way to use Apple Music. It's gonna pop up like this automatically, so you can sign in with your Apple ID. If it doesn't pop up automatically, you can just come here, click on this little drop down arrow, 3 dots for this drop down arrow menu, and then click on settings. And this is where you can tweak things like restrictions, where your files will be saved, and some advanced settings. All that stuff is going to be hidden here. But to sign in and use Apple Music, the same account that's on your iPhone, just come to sign in the bottom left corner, click on that, and then click on sign in, and it's going to give you that same pop-up, and you can sign into your iCloud account. But that is basically how to download and install Apple Music onto your Windows PC. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.